Down by the coast where the waves crash and play live the clownbirds, brown pelicans, hooray. With bills like big scoops and pouches so wide, they dive like comedians, head first they glide. Oh, clownbirds, clownbirds, what a silly sight, flapping and splashing from morning till night. But wait till you see their cute little ones, from naked newborns to fluffy white buns. In mangrove nests high up in the green, Mom and Dad warm their pink wrinkly scene. Newly hatched babies, bare-skinned and small, eyes open wide, they cheep for it all. Soon soft white down grows, thick and so fluffy, turning those tiny clowns into cuddle puff stuffies. Oh, clownbirds, clownbirds, parents so grand, regurgitating dinner right into their hand or beak. Those ghostly white chicks with eyes big and bright grow into clowns, what a wonderful sight. From bare little hatchlings to masters of the dive, brown pelican families keep the coast alive. So here's to the clowns and their babies so dear, from pink and wrinkly to fluffy each year. Oh, clownbirds, clownbirds, parents so grand, regurgitating dinner right into their hand or beak. Those ghostly white chicks with eyes big and bright grow into clowns, what a wonderful sight.